Hi, welcome back to Mediocre Arts and Crafts. Today I'm going to show you how I created this Fireworks and Flowers A2 size card that features the Carta Bella God Bless America collection. Let me take you through it. Okay, we're going to start out with a sheet of 8.5 by 11 cardstock, and we're going to slice it down the middle at 4 1/4. Then score it at 5.5 and fold to make your A2 size card base. For the backing, we're using this fireworks page, and this is cut at 5 1/4 by 4 inches. We'll go ahead and adhere that down. I went ahead and picked out my favorite cut apart from the cut apart sheets, which turns out to be this one. Circle punched it and then just cut right across the bottom. And first, I'm going to glue this down towards the end. This is about a little under an inch wide, and this is part of the fireworks page. I'm just going to adhere this down and then cut it with my scissor. Nope, I think I'm going to turn it the other way. Since I had these little cut stars right here, I decided that those would be up instead of down. Just going to take this, trim it off, set that aside. Now the next thing I'm going to do is take a piece of the paper with the flags on it. It's got the red on the back, and I am going to cut a flag into a ribbon tail. When you're cutting ribbon tails, just remember to cut down the middle first and then meet the ends. Cut from the ends to the middle slice. All right, so I want this to be like this a little bit, which is a little different, but I like it. So I'm going to go ahead and glue this to the back of the circle first. Something like this. Make sure it doesn't go off of the page, so it'll fit in a regular envelope. I'm going to glue this down. Okay, and just to finish things off here, I'm going to use a few sequins. I'm using blue, and I'm just going to kind of randomly put them around and put one on this side. One on this side. And that glue is going to dry matte and clear. And one on this side, or the same side, out here. Oh. have it. So this is a great example of how using a circle punch or just a standard geometric die really adds a little interest to a card. If you liked this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.